Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's continue our look into the privacy settings and the impact they have on you while using Windows, in this case Windows 11. And we're going to go into the speech recognition privacy settings and what impact that has on your PC in privacy. Right-click the Start button, go into Settings, go into the privacy and security, and below Windows permissions, the second option is speech. So here you're going to see online speech recognition. It says use your voice for apps using Microsoft's online speech recognition technology. Why does it have an on-off switch? And you might think, well, there's a lot of speech recognition going on out there, but how does it work? Well, there are two ways that speech recognition can be done. There's offline speech recognition that has and relies on the knowledge that is implemented within the software. And there's online speech recognition that is taking your voice, processing it at a server online, and then bringing back that recognition of speech to, say, for example, if you want to use your speech, your voice to dictate text. And of course, depending on what you use, it might be better for some and some others are worse. It depends on what technology they use. Some are good, some are rather bad at doing this. But there's a privacy concern on it. That's why they put the on-off switch here. If it is turned on in Windows 11, it simply means that if you do dictate speech, if you use your voice on any apps to control, that your voice will be sent to Microsoft servers. First, for processing, because that online part might actually greatly improve because of Microsoft artificial intelligence, the accuracy of the speech recognition, but it is also used to improve Microsoft's products and services. That means it will analyze your voice, use it to make it better. So all the millions of people that would, for example, use speech recognition, well, all the different voices, the different tones, the different pronunciations, all of that, they mix in and they kind of improve their product to have whatever person talking and dictating something for the speech recognition to work as well as possible. The privacy aspect has to do with the fact that your voice will be sent online to Microsoft servers for the purpose of improving the product. So that's why they put an on-off switch. If you want to use speech recognition, but maybe for some reason in privacy, you don't want your voice to be sent to the Microsoft servers for that type of recognition. Maybe you're using some apps that work well. You don't need anything else. Well, you can turn it off, and that doesn't stop the recognition from working on the majority of apps that you'll use. But it will certainly maybe impact the quality of it, and mostly if you turn it off, and if it works well with whatever app you're using, you know what? Your voice isn't sent to Microsoft to improve the product. It's up to you to think about the implications on privacy of knowing that your voice is being sent to a server online somewhere to be analyzed to actually improve a product, and the impact that it has for you on privacy. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.